What is up, everybody? It is your boy Farai. Thank you once again for tuning into another video, man. Shout out Notification Squad. Thank you once again for tuning in. All right, feel free to comment any videos you'd like to see below in the comment section, as well as tell me what's up. It is Saturday today, so I hope you're enjoying your weekend. So yeah, man, today's video is pretty much going to be part 6 from my vocal mixing course. So that'll be released on Wednesday. If you would like to pre-order the course, check the link in the description. You will get a discount for pre-ordering it, and then your download link will be sent out when the course drops. You'll also get a free additional preset pack. So yeah, man, pretty much the video that I'll show you today covers adding that extra bit of sauce to your tracks in regards to adding automation so that you can filter your beat, doing beat drops. We're going to focus a little bit on effects that you can bring in and out on your vocals, like delays, as well as adding like a flanger, filtered bridge section, that kind of thing you'll see in the video. So yeah, man, stick around for that. Let's get it. Okay, now it is time to add some more sauce to the track, right? So we got our toning right, man. We did our headphone mix, we've done our reverbs and that kind of thing. But what I like to do to give the track a bit of movement once in a while is to add in, for example, maybe like a filter, at the bridge section, maybe add some cool delays or something like that to make the song really pop out. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of skim through the song and then we'll see what we can do. Okay, so I'm thinking we're gonna do a filter somewhere, so maybe on this bridge section.
Homemade de garçon, need Versace for my clique. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music, she say that I rock.
So so that is a bridge section, but it doesn't really sound like a bridge section. So what I might do, for Brandon is let's go steal another section of the song. So as you can see, I just went into the C tool again, for those who might have forgotten. I went to the C tool. We can go look for another section in the song.
Please don't waste my time right now. I've been on my grind right now. Please don't waste my time.
And something, actually, I would need this piece of the track. So let me just cut that away. So, let's just clean that up. But we'll just do this. I can press the T tool to get to the mute tool, and then we can mute that and just keep that for later.
Homemade de garçon, need Versace for my clique. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib.
So that doesn't work. We can go find something else. But, I mean, you get the idea though, right? I can chop stuff off, I can move things. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a filter effect. So I'm going to go to this Fruity Love filter. And I'm going to choose my favorite Mike Will effect. This is the original Mike Will effect right here, man. You see, if you were listening to hip-hop in 2011, there was like this era where everything had this filtered like build up to it, Like I remember there was this guy I used to make beats for. It was like, man, that's the Farai effect. But I was like, no, it's the Mike Will effect. Because I just used to use it on every beat because my beats weren't that great. So, you know what I mean? I would just try and do anything to make the beat pop. Let me just get rid of that. So what I'm going to do is, I've created an automation clip. You remember how I did that. I right click on anything I want, really. We can create automation clips out of anything. And then we just right click and then create automation clip, right? So that's done. So what I'm going to do now is I know exactly where. And then it's a very strange place to put a bridge section, but nonetheless. So I'm just going to do that, right? So what I did, let me do that again, is I right click to create points, right? So I can create 1 point, right? Then I drag it all the way down to 0 because I don't want it to be active. I create another point. Then I drag it above that point, create again, right click, create again, right click, boom, there you go.
For my clique. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib.
So generally when you get this effect, it's not that great. That's why if you're a tempted user, I've already fixed this every time round. I usually save it, it's on my old computer, but I usually have it saved as Mike Will effect. But what you want to do is you want to turn the volume down a little bit, and then you want to turn the resonance down a little bit because it pops too much.
For my clique. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music, she say that I rock. Dropping the top,
You see how much more aggressive that makes his sound? You know what I mean? That's what you want to do for your artist, especially if you're mixing hip-hop, man. You want to create movement for the song. So what I'm going to do again is I'm going to add a gross beat. Let me just press G, gross beat. There we go, gross beat. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find, is it momentary? And then I'm going to go to vinyl stop. No, that one's not going to be good enough. Vinyl off is going to work, maybe. We'll create an automation clip again. Okay. And then I'm just going to enable it on the last section here because gross speed works per bar. I actually have the license on my other computer for halftime or whatever it's called. There's another one that does cool tape stops. But nonetheless, we will see what that sounds like.
Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap.
So maybe a bit too soon. So what you can do is you can hold in the Alt key, and it's going to create a new spot on the grid. You know, if you're not holding an Alt, it's going to be random, which I think is a terrible idea. And I'm just going to start it halfway through and I'm pull this up to like there.
Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music, she say that I rock. Dropping the top, I never stop.
So that's cool. So what I can also do is, man, just to kind of not make it pop, I can just delete this part right here.
Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music, she say that I rock.
And then just to make sure that the start back is clean, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. Remember we did this earlier, declick. And now what I want to do is I don't want that to happen because that's going to take away the transient of the kick. So I'm just going to pull it to where the transient of the kick starts. So as you can see, if you know a little bit about samples, you can see that that's where the 808 is right there. So I'm just going to put it to right about there so it pops it out. And then I just want to get rid of that snare like that. And now it's going to be really clean.
Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music, she say that I rock. Dropping the top, I never stop. Gone for a minute, I'm back with a box.
And that's cool. Alright, so what I can also do is, man, I can add in some samples right here. Let's see if my hard drive will load while we're doing this. Come on, man. Why my hard drive always going to sleep? So these old hard drives, I need to update them. So we'll go to packs. I just want to add a little effect or something cool. I just go to my old like 2016 packs. I always use this pack right here, man. I'm sure it's still sitting somewhere on YouTube, but it's got all these cool, you know, something like that can work, man. And we'll just blend it in. I want to teach you quickly how to blend in effects. So as you can see, everything new I add to my submix, right? Just because, you know, then we can get that bus color for favor. And I'm just going to rename this SFX. And what I like to do with effects, man, is I always get rid of the bass out of effects and then I add like a reverb or something. And then I mess with the stereo of it. Maybe I shouldn't mess with that. Maybe just this. It's the same knob.
Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap.
Alright, I forgot to turn the volume down, but that sounded cool. So we'll just turn the volume down like 18 dB usually. I don't want the effects to be loud, but I do want them to be noticeable.
Drawers at my crib. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music, she say that I rock. Dropping the top. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her drawers at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music, she say that I rock. Dropping the top, I never stop. Gone for a minute, I'm back with a box. If she want me, I want her more. She give me love.
So that's cool, man. So that's where now we can add that everywhere in the track, you know.
Now, right now, yeah, gas out till I pass out.
You know, like every 16 bars, so like there.
Yeah, gas out till I pass out.
And then at the outro, I think it'd be pretty cool.
Now, shawty made me sad, made me cry right now, yeah. Please don't waste my time.
And we could also route it to the delay and the reverb again. Now I've already obviously added the reverb, so I'll add it to the delay. You've seen me do this in some tutorial.
Now, shawty made me sad now, right now, yeah. Please don't waste my time right now. I've been on my grind right now. Please don't waste my time right now, yeah.
So you know what I mean? We can do all sorts of really cool things, man. So what I'm also going to do right now is do some beat drops just for you, just for fun, because I know a lot of people ask me about the beat drops. So we'll listen to the song a little bit.
Now, right now, yeah, gas out till I pass out.
So maybe like there we could do a beat drop. Now obviously these are just random. You know, usually I would have had to listen to the full song a bunch of times over.
Now, yeah, gas out till I pass out. Shawty, close your eyes.
And then we can drop it back in there. Now obviously because we have done our declicking, I need to just drag it, you know, in and out every time. So like there and there.
Now, yeah, gas out till I pass out. Shawty, close your eyes, please don't watch me lash out. Yeah, I need the bands on me, need them right now.
So we could do right there as well. I could pull that away. And then what I could do is I could go really crazy. So we could add in like double beat drops, like, you know what I mean? Like started the beat. So I'll do that, right? I'm going to cut that. And then I'm just going to copy it. So I'm going to hold in the shift key and then left click and drag so I can create a copy. And then just delete that and bring it back to where it was. And then this time around, I'm going to make it unique. So there you go, it's unique. So now I can do all sorts of cool stuff with it, right? So
bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me.
You know what I mean? So we could do like
bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right now.
You know what I mean? And like once you really get used to the rhythm of it all, you can really start doing like weird stuff.
Bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right now.
You know what I mean? I don't do it on the snares usually.
Bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right now.
You know what I mean? Just weird stuff.
Bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right now. Talk a lot of shit.
Like obviously that doesn't work, but you get what I mean. It's like you can do all sorts of really mad stuff. You could also do like a tape stop on the beat drop. You know what I mean? So like something like that.
Bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty.
You know? So you could do that. That would probably sound a bit
bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right. Bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right now. Talk a lot of shit, chopper on me right now.
But you get the idea. You can do all sorts of cool stuff. I think that's really all I would do. Maybe we could also do like a flanger filter effect as well. So let's go into all vocals, and then what we'll do is we'll create an automation clip, right? And then we will join this one to that automation clip. So let me just add something so we actually have a name. So we'll call this one filter, and then we will add the radio effect. The radio effect right there. We'll turn the volume down, and then we'll add a flanger, right? So there you go, Flangers. So now we're going to join this one to that one. So we'll go to link to controller, okay, and then join, and then we can see slot 3. It didn't rename itself, but it's that one right there, slot 3. And then there you go. So now we will pull this automation clip to where the vocal or verse is. Let's just put it there. And let us kind of create a filter effect. So here you go, it'll come in. And we'll let it stop right there where that word ends. So when I hold the Alt key, I can move in between stuff. Because obviously I don't want it to be on grid. I want it to be in the middle right there. Because there is a gap right there. So we'll have it end like that. Something like that.
Yeah, gas out till I pass out. Shawty, close your eyes, please don't watch me lash out. Yeah, I need the bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right now, yeah. Gas out till I pass out. Shawty, close your eyes, please don't watch me lash out. Yeah, I need the bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right now.
And then, you know, that's where we can integrate our delays. Okay, so there you go.
Right now, yeah. Gas out till I pass out. Shawty, close your eyes, please don't watch me lash out. Yeah, I need the bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right now. Talk a lot of shit.
And then you could even do something even crazier like this, man. Let's add a gross beat to the delay itself, right? So now we can do these complex, weird-ass things right here that people don't really use besides for hi-hats.
Bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty. Bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty.
You know what I mean? You can do
bands on me, need them right now. Checkers on my van, shawty on me right now. Talk a lot of shit, chopper on me right now.
But there you go, man. That is 13 minutes of cool effects. That's pretty much all I would really do to tracks. I wouldn't really do too much else. Obviously on the outro, and maybe even here we could do something as well. You know, on this part right here. So let's just bring that in.
Homemade de garçon, need Versace for my clique. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her jewels at my crib. Yeah, she tryna fuck, left her jewels at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music.
So as you can see right there, that's where we kind of have a clash. So we need to end it before, because we need every word to be like solid, you know what I mean? So
left her jewels at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music.
So it
left her jewels at my crib. Yeah,
ooh, that is a tough one. So
left her jewels at my crib. Yeah, I get the guap, I need the guap. She love my music, she say that I rock. Dropping the top, I never stop. Gone for a minute, I'm back with a bop. If she want me, I want her more. She give me love, she give me gore. Missing my babe when I'm on tour. Sipping my third, but I need 30 more. Vive Saint Laurent, need some Fendi by the store. Broken heart, what I deserve. She get on my nerves, need my money by the first. Enemies, I wish the worst.
the delay is sounding pretty cool now that it's got that.
Yeah, you know I'm on my toxins. Yeah, you know I'm on my toxins. Sipping, fuck my liver. Yeah, you know I'm on my.
So you know.
Now, yeah.
I just realized that I had switched the outro to the ad lib, so I'm just gonna make unique and then just call that outro. And then now we can
Now, yeah. Please don't waste my time right now. I've been on my grind right now. Please don't waste my time right now, yeah.
And there you go. Next we'll do some basic mastering. Let's get it.